All right, guys. So it's Victor Isibor once again. How are you all doing? So the Eagle, my very good friend, sent me an update. My update man sent me an update about CATLY and said CATLY self don't do their own, no. And I decided to have a say on this present matter. Now, first of all, before I start, have it at the back of your mind that anything airdrop, anything ICO, initial coin offering, as it is related to crypto, it is a 50-50. Number one. Number two, it is impossible to review it accurately except you are God Almighty. Because this is a project that is not even available to the public yet. They are making promises of what they are going to do. So you need to be able to read people's minds for you to be able to make an adequate review. Unless you are God, you cannot say what somebody cannot do. You don't assign limitations to people. Now, we have gotten that out of the way. Now, let us talk about the matter at hand. The normal airdrop and ICO that we know. This is a general video, not only in relation to CATLY. This is a video that will be useful to anybody who wants to do airdrops, who wants to do pre-sales, who wants to go into ICO. Okay? What is the purpose of ICO and airdrops and pre-sales? The major purpose is to popularize the coin. They want to popularize the coin. They want a lot of people to hear about the coin. One. Two, the purpose is to do giveaway, a woof, giveaway, take, giveaway. You see, that was why when I reviewed CATLY, I didn't have any problem with the 3% daily staking. I didn't. The reason is that it could have even been 10% or 20% or 50% per day. Why? Because it's giveaway. They are giving you free money. They are not telling you, we have a crypto mining robot or we have a factory. No, they are giving you free money. Now, the free money that they are giving away, they can package it and say it is staking. Even these guys, witty arbitrage, they call their own arbitrage. But essentially what they are doing is they are trying to popularize their platform by giving out free money to people. When you are planning your ICO or airdrop, there's always a team of investors who believe in your project, who are ready to sponsor your project, who are ready to bankroll your project, who are ready to bring money to the table so that you use it to do those giveaways that will popularize your coin. Okay? So what CATLY has been doing is popularizing their coin and giving free money away. Okay? Now, if you are familiar with airdrops, the normal procedure for other airdrops is you will acquire those free tokens that you get by referral, you will buy cheap in their pre-sale, and you will wait till their roadmap finishes after they launch successfully to the exchanges before you start reaping the benefits. When they are listed on exchanges, they are now available for you to sell, to reap the benefit of all your hard work and all the ones that you bought for cheap. Okay? At the end of the roadmap. So people are forced to be patient in airdrop. Have they distributed tokens? Oh, has the token gone live? That is the procedure, right? Now, majority of the airdrops that you see, a lot of people buy in the pre-sale. They refer a lot of people. At the end of the day, majority of the airdrops don't make it to the exchanges. They flop, they disappear. People earn absolutely nothing. No reward for their hard work. The tokens that they bought, useless because that particular coin never got listed. Yeah? Okay. Now, in the case of CATLY, even before they went public, they put buyback. A way for you to get rewarded even before they are launched in the exchanges, even before they are tradable in the exchanges. Are you getting the logic now? That means that normally you're not supposed to have made any money from CATLY yet because they have not been listed on any exchange yet. They are not tradable yet. The money you have been making is the team behind CATLY buying back what you bought as a way of providing liquidity, as a way of giving away to the community while popularizing their coin. So for those of you who are disappointed with what CATLY did, I am not saying anything. I'm not defending them at all. You know, I don't defend anybody now. Anybody that misbehave will collect woto from me. I just want us to put it in perspective. So all the information I've given you now, a 50-50 project, an airdrop, an ICO, which is almost impossible to review, and a pre-sale where their tokens are very cheap, it is expected that you invest your spare money, because no matter how little the amount of money you put into this project, you would get a lot of tokens. So people who were extremely greedy, they are sad now. Okay? Now, you don't judge an ICO or airdrop with what happens during the pre-sale. No. I'm just saying, don't be too quick to say CATLY is bad. No. You don't judge a crypto token with what is happening during the ICO. Now, let me ask a very critical question. Everybody thinks CATLY is a scam now, and they are disappointed, right? What if CATLY continue on their roadmap and they successfully launched, and the week when they launch on exchanges, the prices skyrocket to $5 per token? Would you still say CATLY was a failed project? Almighty Bitcoin today, or almighty Ethereum, or all the coins that you know that did ICO, were they paying their community money during their ICO? No. But they still went ahead, they became successful. All right? So, what I'm trying to say in essence is this. Their plan is to popularize their coin. Whatever they were giving to you was just free money. They just want you to have their coins. That is the main target. Now, if you have accumulated CATLY tokens, now it's inside your wallet, I will advise you. This is not a professional advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving my own honest opinion as just a common person. Don't listen to me, but let me just talk my own. If you have some CATLY now, don't be too quick to throw away your password. Don't be too quick to abandon it. Because you never can tell what would happen when they eventually launch this CATLY into exchanges. That's if they launch. Remember I said it's 50-50. If they launch, what if the coin goes ahead to do very well in the markets? Remember, like I said before, their major purpose, the major purpose of an airdrop or ICO, is to make you store and hold their tokens in anticipation of a boom when they launch. Nothing is supposed to happen before they launch on exchanges. Whatever that's been happening at CATLY before their launch is just an awoof and a giveaway to the community. So if you are watching this video and you still have CATLY tokens, the CATLY tokens you bought is still in your wallet, do not totally give up and say you have lost. Not yet. Not yet. Don't totally give up and say, oh, you have lost. The tokens you bought is still with you, right? It's just that you cannot sell them to CATLY yet. It doesn't mean that when they launch, you won't be able to sell it to the whole world. This buyback that they put there is just a way to popularize their coin. Projects do whatever it takes to popularize their coin. It's like me opening a restaurant. And for the first 2 years of opening that restaurant, I have enough investors and they say, you know what? Popularize this restaurant by giving free lunch. So for 2 years, people come to my restaurant and I'm giving them free lunch. The day I will start charging money for lunch, some people would have already been addicted to my restaurant. Bars. By default, they are already addicted. They are already familiar with the environment. They are already used to my staff. They will want to continue to come, even though things have already changed. Like, look at it now. It worked for them. A lot of you have a lot of CATLYs now. That is their main aim. So if you abandon the project now, or you go about, badmouth the project, spoil the project, spread food about the project, they may not succeed in getting launched in exchanges. It will be like shooting yourself in the legs. At the end of the day, those tokens that you see will now be officially useless to you. If you have CATLY tokens that you bought in your exchange, don't see it as a waste yet. I know a lot of people will want to criticize me. Hey, shut up. That's why I'm locking the comment section. The purpose is to pass a message to you. Okay? This is not financial advice. That's just my personal opinion. Okay? My personal opinion. Do not criticize the project yet. Wait till they finish their roadmap and see how their coin performs in the real world. If at all it gets launched. If, however, it doesn't get launched or it gets launched and it's not performing well in the market, then you can say, wow, this was a very useless coin. So guys, go ahead, look in the description of this video. My recommended project is there. Okay? Sign up, chat me up via the WhatsApp link given, and let's get cracking. Okay? That's the project I'm pushing for now. Okay? Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next one. It's Victor Isibor. I'm out.